We're here at Sindale Dairy Farm where we're learning what it takes to produce some of the freshest milk right here in Florida.
We have a total of, from calves to adult cows, just under 600 animals. Currently we're milking 250 head. About February we'll get up to 1,300 gallons of milk a day. So like we saw on the outside, we have the 12 cows lined up, and this is what you see in the parlor. As you see the back end of the cows, we can see their udders. The cows will come in, they'll file in,
Okay.
and they'll line up, and the first thing that we do is we will dip their teats with an iodine-based solution. So what that does is this is going to kill any of the bacteria that might be on there. That'll stay on there for about 30 seconds to a minute.
Okay.
Then we'll come back with a rag and wipe it off. Then we will strip the cows to check them.
Okay.
Hang the machine on the cow. We can see it comes through the milking unit, down our milk line. This is called a receiver jar. So that milk will fill in there, and occasionally you hear this pump kick on. And then that milk will travel up. It will go through a filter and up this line here, and it'll end up in our milk tank. This is our milk room. So this top line that comes around is what's bringing the milk in. That's the milk line, and as you can see, it drops into our tank. So our tank here will hold 3,000 gallons of milk. When we are picked up on a daily basis, that milk that left this morning will be at a processing facility. If it is not there right now, it will be there within the next probably 3 to 4 hours. It'll be in a silo, it will be in a jug, and probably on a truck to a store by tomorrow morning. So, 24 to 48 hours from out of a cow is when you're getting that glass of milk.
What we're going to do for you today is we're going to take some of that milk, we have some of that cream, and we also have a little bit of sweetened condensed milk, and we're going to make a dish called tres leches, which means 3 milks. We have a beautiful chocolate cake that I made earlier, and we're going to make this solution that we're going to pour right over that chocolate cake to make our tres leches cake. So what we're going to do first is we're going to get our pot, we'll turn that on, nice high heat. We're going to take our milk, this is a regular whole milk, we're going to pour that right in there, and we're going to use half a quart of heavy cream. So we'll use about a cup of sweetened condensed milk. Is we'll add about 2.5 tablespoons of sugar. We'll go ahead and we'll mix all that up. I use a little bit of maple syrup. So I'm just going to pour just a little bit. So now that we got our chocolate cake right in the pan, we're going to take our mixture that's been cooking over here for about 10 minutes. It's nice and warm. We're going to go ahead and we're going to pour that right on top of that cake. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take it and we're going to wrap it. We're going to wrap it with a little plastic wrap or aluminum foil, and you're going to put it right in your refrigerator and come back and get it tomorrow. All right, so now that we have our cream mixture, it's been sitting in there for a day, we're going to go ahead and take this cake and we're going to try to pull it out really nice. It should pop right out of there, just like that. Now it's going to be dripping. You can actually cut it inside the pan if you'd like. Now, as you can see, that cream is just dying to get out of there. All those juices, that heavy cream, that milk, that sugar, all kind of blended in there really nice. Now, what you can also do is you can come right back, you can grab your little spoon, you can take some of that cream that's right out of that pan, and you can add it right to the top. Also, to kick it up one more notch, we'll go ahead and we'll take a little bit of our homemade chocolate sauce here, and we'll just drizzle that right over the top. Now next week, we're going to be in Quincy, Florida at West Coast Mushrooms. And I'm told that they make 20 million pounds of mushrooms right here in the Panhandle. And you're going to learn more about it on Farm to Table to You.